Hi everyone. We are going to start with grade 6 maths today. Hope you all are good. I'm good too. So let's start with the topic. You can find the lessons on aplusstudents.com. Just go to aplusstudents.com. Then you have to log in using your email address and password provided by the address and password provided by the administration. Then you have to select math as a subject, and we are working on the first chapter, that is whole numbers. And the topic we are going to start with is add and subtract whole numbers word problems. We are going to start with add and subtract whole numbers word problem. Okay, let's start with the lesson. So make sure you have your notebook and pencil, because so that you can note down the important points on your notebook. So let's start with the lesson, that is add and subtract whole number word problems. Okay, let's start with the topic, that is add and subtract whole number word problems. So let's do some tutorial questions, then we'll move on to the test. So let me read the first question. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, Kendall runs her own baking company. This morning, Kendall's workers baked 265 key lime pies. They also baked some more afternoon after lunch. In total, they baked 447 key lime pies. How many did key lime pies did Kendall's workers bake after lunch? So in total they baked 447, and before the lunch they make 265. You need to find how much they baked after the lunch. So basically you have to subtract both the numbers. You have to subtract 447, 265 out of 447. So let's just subtract 447. Let's just do just wait for a while. It's loading. Okay, so you have to subtract 447 out of 265. So you can just subtract the rightmost digits, that are the ones. So 7 subtract 5 is 2. Then you have to subtract the digit that are at the tens. So you have to subtract 4 out of 6. So you cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you have to borrow 1 from the hundreds digit. So when we borrow 1 from the hundreds digit, we are left with, okay, 440, 447 minus 265. Okay, 447 minus 265. Okay, so you have to start from the ones digit. So 7 subtract 5 is 2. Then you have to subtract 4 out of 6. We cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, so you have to borrow 1. So borrow 1, we are left with 3 here, and it makes 14. So 14 subtract 6 is 8. Good. Then you have to 3 subtract 2. So 3 subtract 2 is 1. That means after the lunch they baked 182 lime pies. Got it? Okay, let's start with a test from the top right corner, because these are just the review for the topics you did earlier grades. Got it? You already know how to add and subtract. Okay, start with the first question. Stacy just transferred $99 out of her bank account. As a result, the account now has 670 left in it. How much money was in the account before the transfer? Okay, so what you have to find? He transferred $99. So, and after transferring $99, he has now $670. So basically you have to find before the transfer how much amount was in her account. So what you have to do, add or subtract? You have to add them. Basically you have to understand the statement. Just add 670 plus 99. So 670 plus 99. So 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So it is 769. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the, here you have the correct option and click on the OK button so that we can on the next questions. Got it? Okay, good. The next one is Lindsay recorded 333 hit songs that made it on the bestseller charts. Something many people don't know, however, is that she also wrote 53 songs that were never released. How many songs did Lindsay write in all? So 333 were the hit songs, and she has 53 more that haven't released. So you have to find how many songs in all. That means you have to add. Very good. Just add 333 and 53. 333 plus 53. So add the digit that are at the ones position. So 5 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. Then you have to add the digit that are at the tens position. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3. That means in total she wrote 386 songs. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Ron just started working at a French restaurant. Last week he polished 142 small glasses and 21 large glasses. How many glasses did he polish? So you have to add them. 142 plus 1 is 3. They are 163. Okay, you can complete the test right after the session. I'm moving on to the next lesson. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is add and subtract. Add and subtract. Oh, okay. We have to move on to the next chapter actually. The next chapter is because we did these topics in earlier classes. So we have to start with grade 6 maths, view all lessons, and we are doing multiplication. And the topic is multiply whole numbers word problems because these topics are we did so we have to multiply whole numbers word problems. Let's start with the first one. Kerson baked 8 batches of cookies. Each batch contained 82 cookies. How many cookies did Kerson bake? So you have to multiply them in total. You have to 82 times 8. So let's just do 82 times 8. So 82 times 8. So you start multiplying from the ones digit. So 8 times 2 is 16. You have to write the ones digit over here and carry the next one. Carry the tens digit to the next digit. 8 times 8 is 64 and add the carry it is 65. So you don't have any other digit, write 65 as it is. So that means 82 times 8 is 656. So make sure before doing the multiplication questions you are perfect with the tables. Got it? Okay, the next one is Kerry's town built a new fence. Each section of the fence has 7 fence posts. The fence has 651 sections. How many fence posts does the fence have in all? So basically you have to do 651 times 7. So let's just do 651 times 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. Now you have to do 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42 and add the carry. So 42 plus 3 is 45. You don't have any other digit, so write down 45 as it is. So that is 4557. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. So just click on the test button and let's do the test questions. Okay, let me read the first question. Scarlett bought 4 bags of candy. There were 43 pieces of candy in each bag. How many pieces of candy did Scarlett buy? So in one bag you have 43 candies. So you have in total he has 4 bags. So he need to find how many total candies. So he need to do 43 times 4. So let's just do 43 times 4. So 43 times 4 is 4 times 3 is 12. Very good. Write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. 4 times 4 is 16 and 1 17. That means in total he has 172 candies. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the corner cafe ordered 2 boxes of sugar pockets. Each box contained 34 sugar pockets of sugar. How many sugar packets in total did the corner cafe order? So the 2 boxes, they ordered 2 boxes, and in one box they have 34 packets. So just do 34 times 2 to find the answer. Got it? Let's just do 34 times 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 68. Got it? So in both the packets you have 68. Okay, let's start with the next question. Let me read the next one. As part of their as part of their charitable giving, 8 food companies sponsored a local food bank. Each company donated 31 cans of food. How many cans of food in total did the companies donate? So 31 cans of food and 8 companies. So you have to do 31 times 8. Got it? So let's just do 31 times 8. 31 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. That means in total they makes 248 cans to donate. Got it? Okay. The next one is last year 3 companies decided to include their coupon in a local coupon pack. Each company had to print 574 copies of the coupon. How many coupons were printed in total? So 3 companies and each company is printing 574. So for the total you have to do 574 times 3. Got it? So let's just do 574 times 3. So start multiplying from the ones digit. So 3 times 4 is 12. Write the ones digit over here, carry the tens. 3 times 7 is 10 and 1 11. Write the 1 here and carry the next the tens digit. 3 times 5 is 15 and add 1, that is 16. So it's 1612. That means in total 574 times 3. 3 wait 574 times 3 times 7 is 21. 574 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. You have to write 2 over here and carry the ones. 3 times 7 is 21 and 1. 22. You have to write 2 over here and carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. So they are 1722. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. You can complete the test right after this session or later today. I'm moving on to the next lesson so that we can you can if you have any If you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from 5 to 9 Monday to Friday. So for the next lesson, just click on the back button so that we can be on the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is multiply numbers ending in zeros. So let's just start with multiply whole numbers with 4 or more digits. Okay, let's just click on the test button. We are going to multiply with the digits that are digits that have more than 2 digits. They have the 4 digits. Got it? So let's just start. Okay, let's do 6,973 times 2240. Let me just write down the numbers. Then we'll do 6973 69. They are somehow long questions. 6,973 2240, because you have to multiply the 4 digit number with another 4 digit number. Got it? So we have to start with the digit that is at the ones position, start multiplying the 0 to all these digits. So 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. Got it? Now we're going to start multiplying the tens digit, but so you have to add a 0 right below the ones digit, because you're starting multiplying the tens digit. You have to write the numbers right below the tens digit. 4 times 3 is 12. Write the tens digit over here, carry the ones. 4 times 7 is 28 and plus 1 is 29. Write the tens digit over here and carry the ones. 4 times 9 is 36 and 36 plus 2 is 38. Write the tens digit over here and carry the ones. 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. So it would be 15. Got it? Okay. Now you have to start multiplying the 100 digit. So you have to start writing right below the 100 digit. So add the zeros right below the ones and tens digit. Got it? 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. Write the 4 over here and carry 1. 2 times 9 is 18 and 1 19. Write the ones digit over here and carry the tens. 2 times 6 is 12 and 1 13. Got it? Okay, now you're going to multiply the 100,000 digit. So you have to start writing below the thousand. Add the zeros to the tens, ones, and hundreds. Got it? Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 4, 1 carry. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 19, 9 1 carry. 2 times 6 is 12 and 1 13. Now you have to add these numbers. So here you have 0, then you have 2. 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 6 is 15. So you have 5 over here and you have to carry 1 over here. 8 and 4 is 6 and 4 is 10 and 8 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 over here and carry 1. 9 and 1 is 10 and 5 15, and 4 19. 9 and 1. 9, 1 and 1 2 and 3 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 and 1 and 3 and 1, 4 and 1 5, and here you have 1. 9 10 11 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it is then 1 5 6 1 9. Let me just check once again from 1 the adding. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 5 is 18, and plus 1 is 19. Okay, so it's a long multiplication. Maybe I did some of the 15499. Okay, let me just check. 6973 times 2240. 1 5 here, 5 8 and 4 12, and 12 and 6 18, and 1 19. 1 carry 5 and 9 10, and 5 15, and 4 19. 1 3 9. 4 times 6 is 24 and 125. Here you have 2. So then you have um, 8 and 4, 12 and 6, 18 and 1, 19, 9, 1 carry. So 5 and 1, 6. 4 times 3 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 times 7 is 28 and 129, 9, 2 carry. 4 times 9 is 36 and 238, 3 carry. 4 times 6 is 24, 25, 26, 27. Here you have a 7, the one I made mistake here. 9 and 1, 10 and 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you have 1 here. Here we have 1. Then I have to carry 2 over here. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 9 is 16. So you have a 6 here. So it's 1561950. Now we have the correct answer. So the correct option is 15619. Yes, that's the first one. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Be careful while doing these multiplications. They are a bit long, so you need to be more careful. Got it? Okay, let's do the next one. The next one is 4812. 4812 times, let's be more careful this time, 3983. 3983. Okay, start multiplying from the ones digit. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 8 is 24. Here you have 4 and here you have 2. 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 14. Okay, I'm going to remove the carries because they make. Okay, now I'm going to start multiplying the tens digit. So write a 0 right below the ones and start writing from the tens digit. 8 times 2 is 16, 6, 1 carry. 8 times 1 is 8 and 1, 9. 8 times 8 is 64. Here you have 4 and here you have 6. 8 times 4 is 32 and 32 plus 6 is 38. Got it? Okay, the next one is uh, 9. So I'm going to multiply the hundreds digit. So write the 0 right below ones and tens. Start writing from the tens digit. So let's do 48 4812 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18, 8. 1 carry. 9 times 1 is 9, 10, 0. 1 carry. 9 times 8 is 72 and 173, 3. 3 carry. 9 times 4 is 36 and 9 times 4 is 9 times 8 is 72 and 173, 3 and 7 carry. 9 times 4 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So here you have 4330800. Okay, now we are left with 1,000 digits. To start multiplying with 1,000 digit, write a 0 right below tens, ones and hundreds. Start writing from the tens digit. Got it? So we have to do now 3. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 and 2 carry, 3 times 4 is 12 and 14. Got it? Just add them. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 plus 8 plus 4 is 21, 1 and 2 carry. And then you have 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 and it makes 16, 6 and 1 carry. Then you have 8 plus 2 10 plus 3 plus 3 16 6 1 carry and 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 and it makes 11 1 and 1 carry. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 1 9 and 1. So you have the answer, that is 19166 So select the correct option, 19166. That's the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? So you can complete the test right after this session. I am moving on to the next lesson. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is multiply multiply numbers ending in zeros. Okay, so start with a lesson that is multiply numbers ending in zeros. So the first example is you have to multiply 60,000 by 10. So 60,000 by 10. Just multiply 60,000 times 10. So what you actually have to do, you don't have to multiply all the zeros and it's a long multiplication where when you keep multiplying you know that 0 times 0 is 0. So just multiply the digits. You have only two digits, 6 and 1. Multiply the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. And now you can add, you can count the zeros, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. All the zeros for both the numbers, they are 5. So just the answer is 600,000. That means it is 600,000. Got it? You don't need to multiply all the zeros. You just have to multiply the numbers and then you have to add the zeros with them. Got it? Okay, the next one is let's do another example. The other example is 40 times 6,000. 40 times 6,000. So you don't need to multiply the zeros, just multiply 4 times 6. And we know that 4 times 6 is 24. So just write E24, count all the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, collective zeros for both the numbers. We have 4 zeros, so just add 4 zeros. So it's 20, 240,000. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. Let's just start with test so that we can do practice questions. Okay, let's start with the first one, 3,000 time 5. 3,000 times 5. So just multiply the digits from both the numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. Very good. And only one digit has the zeros. You have three zeros. Just add three zeros to the answer. So it makes 15,000. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 70 times 600. So just multiply the digits. 70 times 600. So just multiply the digits. The digits are 7 times 6. So just do 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. And the zeros are, you have 2 here and 1, 2 is 2 and 1, 3. Just add 3 zeros. So it makes 42,000. Got it? That's how you multiply the digits that have the zeros. Just multiplying the digits and writing the zeros, counting the zeros for both the numbers and add the zeros. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 times 800,000. 4 times 800,000. Just multiply both the digits. They are 4 and 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. Now you have the 5 zeros with only one digit. So add the 5 zeros as it is. Got it? That's the answer for the question. So select the correct option. This one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, then the next one is 20 times 200. Do you know the answer? Which one is it? It is 4,000. 2 times 2 is 4. And then you have two zeros for 200 and one for 20. That means collectively you have three zeros. Just add the three zeros. So it is 4,000. Got it? Okay, good. The next one is 70 times 3. So just multiply the digits. 7 times 3 is 21. And then you have one zero with 70 and one with 30. That means you have two zeros. So it makes 2100. Got it? Okay. Now 600 times 40. So 6 times 4 is 24, and the zeros for the both the numbers are 3, so it makes 24,000. Got it? 6 times 4 is 24, and the here 10 with 40 and two zeros with 600, that means collectively we have three zeros, so it makes 24,000. Got it? Okay, now 800,000 times 3. So the digits we have are 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and write 5 zeros as it is. Got it? That's the correct option. 2,400,000. Got it? Okay, the next one is 200 times 1000. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then add 3 zeros with 1000 and 2 with 200. That means collectively we have 5 zeros, so it makes 200,000. Got it? Okay, click on the OK button. Okay, then we have 40 times 6000. So 6 times 4 is very good, 24, and we have 4 zeros, so that is 240,000. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test right after the session or later today. I'm moving on to the next lesson. If you have any problem with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems. Okay, let's start with the first question. So there are 70 squares on each red and white checkered tablecloth. How many squares are there on 300 tablecloths? So you have to find the total squares. So you have to do 70 times 300. But you know that when you are multiplying with zero, what you have to do? So you have to do 300 times 70. Just multiply both the digits 3 and 7. So 3 times 7 is 21, and the zeros are here. You have two zeros and one. That means the answer must have three zeros. So that means the total small squared or checkered squares are 21,000. Got it? Okay. The next one is Grayson worked as a newspaper writer for 7 days last year. He wrote on average 200 words each day. How many words did Grayson write for the newspaper in total? So you have to do 200 times 7, and we know that we just have to multiply the digits. 7 times 2 is 14, and then we have two zeros in all. Just add the zeros so it makes 1400. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button, so just click on the test button. Okay, each boulder weigh 400 pounds. How many pounds do 9 boulders weigh all together? So one weighs 4000. You have to do 4000 times 9. Let's just do 4000 times 9. Okay, just multiply the digits. 9 times 4 is 36. We have three zeros in all. Just write the zeros with the number. So it makes 36,000. Got it? So the answer is 36,000. Select the correct option. The second one is the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay. The next one is there are 90 students in a poetry club. In the poetry club, last year each student wrote 70 poems. How many poems did how many poems did the students in the club written in all? So you have to do 90 times 70. So let's just do 90 times 70. Multiply the digits. 9 times 7 is 63. So in total we have two zeros. So just add the two zeros at the right of the digit. It makes 6300. That means the total poems are 6300. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a card factory puts 400 greeting card in each shipment. How many greeting card will be in 9 shipments? So the total shipments are 9. Each shipment has 600 cards. So you have to see how many cards in all. So just do 600 times 9. Got it? So multiply the digits. 6 times 9 is 54, and you have two zeros in all, so just add two zeros, so it makes 5400. Got it? It makes 5400. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a game show has 90 categories. There are 800 points in each category. How many points are there in total on the game show? So you 800 points, you have 800 points in one category, and you have 90 categories in total. So you have to do 90 times 800. Got it? So we just have to multiply the digits. We don't multiply the zeros, we just add the zeros at the end. So you have to do 90 times 800. So multiply the digits. The digits are 9 times 8. So 9 times 8 is, very good, it is 72. So we have now collectively three zeros, two zeros here and one here. So just add the three zeros over here. So it makes 72 thousands. Got it? So the correct option is 72,000 and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the best selling cookies at Arjun's local grocery store comes in boxes of 7. Last year, the store sold 7,000 boxes of the cookies. How many of the cookies did the store sell last year? So basically, you have to do 7 times 7,000. So 7 times 7,000 is, do you know the correct option? Which one is the correct one? Just multiply the digits. 7 times 7 is 49, and then you have to add three zeros. So that would be 49,000. Got it? So select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is there are 70 boxes of books in the storeroom. Each box has 80 books. How many books are there in all? So you have to do 70 times 80. Do you know the answer, which is the correct one? Yes, it's the first option. You have to do 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and then you have to add two zeros. So it is 5600. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a seed company filled 20 bags with seed. They put 800 grams of seed in each bag. How many grams of seed are there in all the book bags combined? So you have to do 800 times 20. Got it? And we just multiply the digits. So 8 times 2 is 16, and collectively we have three zeros, so it makes 16,000. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a thread factory put 600 meters of the thread on each spool. How many meters of the thread will the factory need to find eight spools, to fill eight spools? So basically you need to do 600 times 8. So which is the correct option? It's the last one. Very good. 8 times 6 makes 48, and you have to add two zeros, so that makes 4600. Got it? Okay, the next one is a soda factory makes 1000 liters of ginger. I'll say each day. How many liters of the ginger ale will the factory make in 5 days? So you have to do 5 times 1000. Just multiply the digits. 1 times 5 is 5, and then you have 1000 has 3 zeros, so just add 3 zeros, so it makes 5000. Got it? Okay, the next one is Pecco counted on the tiles on the gymnasium floor. The gym is 20 tiles long and 600 tiles wide. What is the total number of tiles on the gymnasium floor? So you have to do 600 times 20. So multiply the digits. 2 times 6 is 12, and collectively you have 3 zeros, so it makes 12,000, isn't it? Yes, so select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Stecky bought 80 boxes of chocolates. There were 80 chocolates in each box. How many chocolates did Stecky buy? So you have to do 80 times 80. So 8 times 8 is 64. And then we have collectively we have two zeros. So it makes 6400. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Grayson worked as a newspaper for 7 days. Last year, he wrote an average of 200 words each day. How many words did Grayson wrote for the newspaper in total? So you have to do 200 times 7. Very good. So just multiply the digits. So 2 times 7 is 14, and collectively we have two zeros, so just add the two zeros. So 1400, it's just 1400. 7 times 2 is 14, or just add the two zeros, so it makes 1400. Got it? Okay, the next one is a candy factory makes 2000 pieces of candy each day. How many pieces of candy will the factory make in 3 days? So multiply the digits. 3 times 2 is 6, and we have three zeros collectively, so just add three zeros, so it makes 6000. Got it? Okay, there are 70 squares on each red and white checkered tablecloth. How many squares are there on 300 tablecloths? So you have to multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21, and just add three zeros, so it is 21,000. The cafeteria at a summer camp has 20 tables. Each table seats 10 campers. How many campers can eat in the cafeteria at the same time? You have to do 20 times 10. 2 times 1 is 2, and then you have two zeros, just add the two zeros. So it is 200. Got it? So you can complete the test right after this session. Um, that's all for today. We have done with 4 of the lessons today, and the lesson names are, you can find these lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then you have to go to grade 7 maths. You have to scroll down to grade 6 maths. There you can find a topic that is multiplication. So that's a second chapter, and start with the topic. We did 4 topics today. They are multiply whole numbers word problems, multiply whole numbers with 4 or more digits, then multiply numbers ending in zeros, and then multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.